We're going to be making a Greek chicken marinade. So far we have 1 cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, the rind of 1 lemon, the juice of 1 lemon, and now we're going to add in some fresh pressed garlic. Look at that, nice and fresh. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, sea salt preferably, 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red peppers, 1 teaspoon paprika. Now mix that all up together, this lovely mix of spices, and then we're going to put our half chicken in here to marinate in the fridge for at least 1 hour. It's covered in the beautiful marinade and it's going to go into the fridge for at least 1 hour to marinate. Place your marinated chicken pieces, half chicken, whatever, into your Ninja Foodie basket with a aluminum liner. Bake at 375 degrees until done. And there you have it. Dinner is served. Lovely and delicious. Just check out those nice potatoes. It's going to be a fantastic dinner. Try sometime.